Hello my beloved YouTube community, Ravin here with another video. In this video, I will review the JBL Flip 4 wireless waterproof speaker from JBL. The body is made out of robust plastic materials and it is covered in a nice feeling cloth grill. At the ends you can find the bass radiators, which pulsate when playing music. There are 4 buttons which are play, volume up, volume down and Bluetooth. The play button can be configured using softwares. At the back side, you get the power button with battery indicators and a JBL connect button. There is also a flap which conceals the aux input and micro USB charging port. The speaker is also waterproof with IPX7 certification. It also has microphone built in. Battery life is really good. JBL claims a battery life of 12 hours and I could easily extend the time frame while playing at 70 to 80% volume, which is really good for a speaker at this size. Talking about volume, it is best kept around 80% because if you are using it above 95% or say 100% volume, bass isn't that good as it gets distorted. For this price, I love the clarity of the speakers. The words in the lyrics could be picked up quite easily. Bass is more than satisfactory. The signal strength is excellent and it can cover a big house easily even with many walls in between. Now let's listen to the audio sample from the speaker, which I have recorded using a microphone. To wind up, I really like the rugged nature of the Flip 4, but be careful not to drop it near any protruded surface, as the sides are exposed a little bit. Normal falls in rooms are quite fine, so you need not worry about those. The water resistance feature is extremely useful because you can take it to the shower with you without any worries. But keep in mind that it doesn't float, so it's better not to take it near large water bodies. Buttons are really good and tactile. Setting up is quite easy in this device. You have an app for that. Even if you don't have an app, you can easily connect via the Bluetooth of your phone. You can also connect other speakers, other JBL speakers to be precise, which are supported to pair with this. For example, you can use the same speaker and use it as left and right audio. For this price, it definitely is a thumbs up from my side. And it is audible even in a large room with good bass, decent clarity of voice and moreover easy portability. So that's it guys. Find the links for purchasing the speaker below. You can also find the links to my social media accounts in the description. See you guys in the next one. Until then, take care.